Today I'm going to show you how to make this sweet little inexpensive Valentine jar, and I am putting candy in this and giving this to someone for Valentine's Day, but you can also use it as a decoration. You could put flowers in the top, you could put a air plant in it, whatever you want to do, but I think it makes a cute little decoration for Valentine's Day, as well as a nice way to give someone an inexpensive gift that looks like you spent some money on it. So the things that you're going to need is one of the glass yogurt jars, and then I used some ribbon that has like some glitter to it. This is embroidery thread that you can buy, so I'm using the purple hue embroidery thread and the white cord. And then I had these from the dollar store. They're just little felt hearts. And I also had gotten some gems, so I'm going to use one of the gems. And then any color tool if you want to. I have candy in here, so I'm doing the Junior Thin Mints. And I'm going to put them in a little bag and then put them in here with the with the tool. So you're going to need some tacky glue. And some paint. So the paint that I used for this one is purple. And so basically what you want to do with your paint is you want to give it at least 3 coats of paint. You're painting the inside. We've done these crafts before. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the inside of the jar with the paint. That way it still has that nice pretty glossy shine on the outside. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a coat of paint, show you what it looks like, and you want to continue to coat it until you don't see any streaks on the inside. So this will take a little bit of time to paint, let it dry, recoat, paint, let it dry. So after that, the craft will go pretty quickly. This is after 1 coat of paint, so you see some of the streaking here. So I'm going to let this dry, and I'm going to do a 2nd coat of paint. So after you're done painting, the next step will be, if you want, I painted the edge, but it's still like a little rough. So I've chosen to add a cord to the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run tacky glue all around the top, and then I'm going to put my cord on. And if you're working with cord, just know you always have to tape it because it will unravel. So I don't, until I'm actually ready to just stick it down, I'm going to leave the tape on, and then where I cut it off at the other end, you want to retape it again so it doesn't unravel. So whatever you want to use, just run your tacky glue along the top, and it just gives it a decorative edge. So then my hearts, I'm just going to position like this on the front. Now these are peel and stick, but to make them more secure, I always put a little tacky glue on the back to just make them extra secure, because they'll peel up if you just rely on the peel and stick. So I'm going to peel this off, put a little tacky glue on it, and then glue it right to the outside. So the next thing I'm going to do is wrap my embroidery thread around it a couple times, making it crisscross right in front of the red heart, like so, and then tying it off in the back. So however many times you want to crisscross it, I just have that center mark right where the red heart is, and then I'm going to glue a gem right on top of that. So this is what it looks like. I just tied it in a knot in the back and trimmed it off. And so this is the front. So this is where I'm going to secure the gem. And again, it's a sticky, but I'm going to add some tacky glue for some extra security so it doesn't come off. And you're just going to glue that right over where they come together like that. I went ahead and put my Junior Mints in a little clear bag with a little bow, and I just cut a couple pieces of tulle. This is like 3 pieces of tulle here together. So I'm going to put my mints inside the tulle and bunch it up, and then just drop this inside the glass jar without crushing them, like so. And there you have a little gift, or If you choose not to, you could put something else in this or just leave it empty, or you could put a little tea light in it. But I thought this would make a cute little Valentine gift for any Valentine that you want to give a little treat to. So if this is your first time watching, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to receive future notification of posts, hit the bell, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.